that two of the defendants are lawyers who were merely doing their job on behalf of their clients in accordance with Section 36 of the Constitution, in accordance with the cab rank rule, to defend all manners of people, and that you could just arrest and take away lawyers was uncalled for. We also deprecated the action we saw when the lawyers were brought out from the prison vehicle in handcuffs. They were shackled and they were manacled. Unarmed and harmless lawyers. The magistrate, in a ruling, deprecated this action as most uncivilized and most tyrannical. We must realize that Nigeria has subscribed to constitutional democracy, which involves respect for rule of law and the fundamental rights, freedoms, and liberties of the Nigerian people. The government must stop intimidating the Nigerian people because the Nigerian people elected them. The Nigerian people are the dog that wag the tail. The government is the tail. The government is not the dog. The government cannot play God to citizens that elected it into power.
Yes, sir.
We must send this note of warning to the government that no matter how strong you think you are, power and lies have expiration date. And when the time comes, the people will take over their power. This is not the France of Louis XIV of France, who could beat his chest imperiously and say, "L'État, c'est moi, I am the state." We made that point, and the court recorded it, deprecated the action of the security agencies, deprecated the action of manacling and shackling lawyers, deprecated in fact, he said, when he said they should be remanded in custody, he never said they should be shackled. And you could see the entire premises here today. It is literally militarized, as if we are in a situation of war. Boko Haram is there. The herdsmen are there to be tackled.
I'm telling you, sir.
They are not tackling them. They are coming to a court of law, a magistrate court, with more than 100 fully armed policemen, even some in camouflage uniform, kitted in battle gear. What is going on in this country? And guess what? The good news. In spite of their machinations, in spite of their shenanigans, in spite of their carefully choreographed Baba, Salas, Alawada, Keri histrionics, Dino Melaye, handcuffed on his hospital bed, still defeated the power that be in the recall process. They scored only a miserly 5.34%.
With all the funds invested.
Where Section 68 and 69 of the Constitution said they must have at least 51%. In other words, they had barely 10% of the people that were said to want to recall Dino Melaye, in an exercise that the government is said to have wasted over 5 billion naira on. A government that cannot pay salary of its citizens. As we said in our case in court, many of the people are dead people who were resurrected from their graves to sign the petition. Many of the people never knew that there was any recall. And the few that turned up at the polling booth said, "We did not put our name here. This is not our signature." This is the time INEC, if INEC wants to show that it is truly an independent body, an impartial body. This is the time INEC should send the police to round up the major proponents of this petition to come and show who these people were that signed this petition. Because it was forgery. It's a clear case of forgery. They must be prosecuted.
Yes.
To send the right signal that you do not humiliate people elected just to make a point.
Before most of your time, sir, when you are inside a minor drama happened between lawyers and the police here, for the police said the lawyers should go out of the court. How safe is our democracy with action?
Our democracy is quite unsafe. That's why I started by saying we are now in perilous times. The courtroom is the marketplace and the farm and the workshop and the store of a lawyer. Who should go out of a court? It should be the policeman. Yes. They should go to their police station.
Yes.
This is the only court, the only market that lawyers have. How can you tell lawyers to leave their premises? Their palace. It's like there can't be two Obas in a palace. There can't be two Ezes in a palace. There can't be two Emirs.